Like every morning, I wake up, I do some math, and then I sneak into the North Tahoe elevator for a little ride and an experience of forces. There's a special surprise this time, a force plate reading contact forces in newtons in the elevator. So I'm going to take a ride up and see what it shows us. First thing I'll do is I'll just stand on it, and I'll hit collect while I'm not moving. And you can see there's kind of a steady force there. If I look over there, I'm moving around, it's about 770 newtons. Let's go ahead and film it while we're going up. I'm going to hit 2. Big spike. Now I feel normal. And then that dip at the end. So again, as we look at that, not only do we feel heavier or lighter during times, we actually are heavier or lighter during times.